Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great and staying safe inside. And thank you guys so much for the support again. If you haven't liked and subscribed as yet, please feel free to do so. So today I'm feeling for some salt mackerel. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to be doing some rundown. It's salt mackerel cooked down in coconut milk with, I like very spicy. So at the moment the salt mackerel is being boiled, getting rid of that excess salt. Plus I have another pot here for my food. I'm going to be having that with some banana and dumplings. To the salt mackerel I'm going to be adding the okra, the tomato, onions, scallion, thyme. And here's my coconut milk, my hot pepper, and some black pepper. Let's get started. So right now I'm prepping the vegetables. Guys, I love okra. I eat okra with almost everything. Even if it's not made to be added in the dish, I always like blanch them and saute them in some salt and pepper and put them on the side of my meal. I love okra. I'm hoping that you guys can see a bit of what I'm doing. So I'm julienning this onion. Then I did wash my seasoning and my vegetables. So now I'm gonna cut these into medium diced chunks. And please remember that this rundown, you can add your vegetables to it, your different vegetables if you want, but this is the Jamaican way. Nothing much added. So in the meantime, while my salt mackerel is being cooked, I'm going to be peeling my banana. First thing before start peeling your banana, you can do this with when you're peeling plantains, pumpkin, sweet potato, anything that has a lot of starch in it. You can put oil on your hand to prevent it from sticking and staining your hand. I'm not a fan of peeling banana or green plantain, but maybe I can show you. You can slide down here, put the knife in, and another day I'll show you when I get a better angle. So here are my bananas. I'm not doing a lot since it's just alone. I'm gonna add some water to it. I add the water to it to prevent it from changing color. And I'm gonna put that aside, and then I'm gonna need my flour. So I'm adding a little bit of flour. I'm also gonna add, this is about 1 cup of flour. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of cornmeal to it. I don't like a lot of cornmeal. For those of you who do, can go ahead and add more. Plus I'm gonna add 2 pinches of salt, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mix that together. So now I'm gonna teach you guys how to make dumpling. If you guys don't know how to do it, take a good look. So I have this piece here, and I am going to form it in the middle of my hand. Then I'm gonna take the outer layer and continue to bring it in the middle and turn it while you're doing it. So like this. And then I'm gonna turn it over and squeeze it down like this. See? food is cooking, so I'm gonna cover that and start working on my rundown. So my salt mackerel is ready. It's very hot right now, so I'm going to take that, add that to this container, and then I'm going to add some water to it to cool it down. So I'm going to be using not oil today. I'm going to be using butter. My pot is well hot. And now I'm going to add my seasonings. I'm gonna leave my tomato for last. Oh, I got one in there already, but I'm gonna leave it for last because I don't want it to be too much overcooked. So I'm gonna add in all of these. With my hot pepper, my onion, my scallion, my thyme, everything. Don't allow your butter to burn because it will change the color of the coconut milk, and you don't want it to be brown. So don't allow it to burn. And now I'm gonna add in my salt mackerel. So now I'm gonna add in my tomatoes. See how yummy that is? I'm gonna add my tip of black pepper. And now I'm gonna add my coconut milk to this. So after, you just want to go ahead and cover this for about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. And my banana and dumpling is ready. So I want to thank you guys so much again for watching my videos. Thank you guys for the support. Please remember, feel free to leave your comments, ask questions, and I do take corrections. You're never too old, too young, or too experienced to learn anything new. So please feel free. That will surely help me in the future. And I love you guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.